Hey, Weather Weenies, let's talk about hurricanes briefly and a couple things that might be interesting, especially regarding some current forecasts. There are people out there that are posting a 300 plus hour away, week and a half to 2 week forecast, showing the potential for a hurricane impacting somewhere in the southeastern United States. And I'm going to tell you why no meteorologist is talking about it yet. Forecast model accuracy statistics, which you can find online. It's not hard to find. From day like 1 to 7 are super high. They're really, really great. After that, you have to look for consistencies. We're looking more for trends. There's other things that we have to see as degreed meteorologists in order to trust forecasts that go that far out. And so the people who are kind of sensationalizing, sorry, it's really what it is, what's going on with the forecast with this next potential storm impacting the southeastern United States is wild because there is absolutely no consistency. This is what today's GFS forecast model shows. So possibly something off the eastern coast of Florida, maybe. Yesterday's same forecast model showed something more in the Gulf. And on the 23rd, there was nothing. Collections of storms, but that's about it. And if you look at what the Euro model says, once again, big fat nada. Small changes in the forecast today reflect in massive changes in the future. It's kind of like what they call the butterfly effect. And in this book, A Furious Sky, there is a fantastic chapter on that and a lot of really good educational material on hurricanes. Not only does this book talk about how hurricanes impacted the colonization of America, but also why piracy went crazy for a while. It talks about the history of weather forecasts, how the National Weather Service came to be. But there's a particular chapter that I love. Chapter 7 is everything you would want to know scientifically about hurricanes. It's talking about how hurricane hunters formed, which are some phenomenal stories, by the way. It talks about how hurricane forecasts began and evolved and have changed over time. And it's also giving a lot of really basic information about hurricane forecasting. There are paragraphs on the butterfly effect, how it was discovered, how it impacts weather forecasting. And this applies to this specific forecast so very much. No one asked me to do this review. I'm not getting paid for this or whatever. It's just a book that I'm genuinely enjoying. And it's really amazing how much the information in it is so relevant to weather forecasts right now. So if you're looking for a good book, you're looking for a good read as hurricane season comes to a close, remember it's not over yet. This is incredibly insightful and educational.